So good day everyone. Today I'll be talking about Article 99, quorum and voting rights. And at the end of this video, I'll be asking questions. So imagine this. You and your barkada is planning an outing, but only two people show up and say, okay, we're going hiking. Would you agree to that? Of course not, diba? Because it's unfair if just a few decides for everyone. That's exactly why in cooperatives, there are clear decisions about decision making. So today, as I've said, I'll be talking about Article 99, quorum and voting rights. So this article explains how many members need to be present before a decision is valid, how votes are counted, and why some decisions need stronger agreement than others. In short, it makes sure every decision is democratic and fair. So in a General Assembly, decisions are valid only if at least one half plus one of the members are present. For example, if there are 10 members, at least 6 must attend. Because without them, no decision. So, paano siya naging 6? Kasi yung 1 half plus 1, para mangyari yon, diba 10? You divide 10 into 2, and then that's equal 5, right? Plus 1, kaya siya naging 6. Just like a basketball game, you can start if most of the players aren't on the court. So, no different for the board of directors. Half plus 1 must attend, and each director has 1 vote only. Fair and equal, walang daya, lahat pantay. But, if the cooperative wants to change its bylaws or articles, the rule is stricter. You need a 3/4 or 75% vote because big changes need stronger agreement. And finally, voting right depends on paid-up shares. The more you invest, the louder your voice. Just like a barkada food group. Kung sino ang mas malaki ang ambag, siya rin ang malakas ang bosses. So, Article 99 reminds us of 3 simple but powerful rules. First is, you need enough people before you can decide. Every director gets 1 equal vote, and big changes need a bigger agreement. So, no quorum, no decision. Because in cooperatives, just like in life, fairness and democracy always comes first.